Hey everyone, you are in the Roblox because today I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 600 on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So why does this happen? Roblox code error 600 usually indicates connection issue or a problem with your session. So step 1. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Switch to another network or restart your router if needed. Clear your cache. Just long press the Roblox app, tap storage and clear cache. Open the app again to check if the issue is fixed. Close the Roblox completely by removing it from the recent app list. And relaunch the app and see if it's worked. Update the Roblox. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox. If an update is available, tap Update. Uninstall Roblox from your device. Reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. And log in and check if the error is resolved. And that's it. This quick fix should help you to resolve Roblox error code 600. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.